Hi, welcome back. Okay, welcome to your maths lesson for today. So, we've been talking a lot about addition, putting two numbers together. And last time we even started talking a little bit about subtraction, taking away. What we're going to do today and in our next Zoom lesson when we have math, we are going to focus once again on addition, but on a very specific part of addition. We are going to talk about doubles. Now, what are doubles? Well, if you know what the word double means, maybe you can already have an idea, If something is double, we can say that there's twice as much of something, So we are going to talk about doubles of numbers 1 to 10. So how could I explain this? Look here. Here I have all the number sentences that we need to use to get to doubles. So you will see sentences are 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 4 plus 4, 5 plus 5, and all the way to 10 plus 10. So what we're doing here, we are adding a number to itself, We're having the same number twice. Now, before I give you some examples and we do this, you might ask, why are we doing this? The thing is that when we manage to remember all these doubles, and actually it just takes to practice a little bit and you will be able to remember them, okay? It's going to make our addition of bigger numbers in the future way simpler, So we're learning this now, and then later in the future when we continue doing addition, things are going to be much easier, okay? So let's take a look what we have here. So imagine like this. You and a friend want to prepare a little party. Let's say maybe we're going to go back to school, or maybe you're preparing for a picnic even better. So let's say you and your friends, you and your one friend are preparing for a picnic. Now both of you need to prepare some food, maybe some cupcakes, fruits, and things like that. But in order to be fair, the only thing that you can do is to make the exact number of everything, exactly the same number. So if you're making one cake, your friend should make only one cake, okay? So how many cakes will you have? If you have one cake and he has another cake, how many fingers can you see? 2. 1 plus 1 is 2, And we can even, if you want to check this, we can maybe use here, my 100 chart. We have 1, and we count one more number, we get to 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. Maybe this was a bit confusing, okay? So, 2 cakes. Then you want to bring a bottle of juice. Well, no, you're going to bring 2 bottles of juice, and your friend is going to bring 2 more, So 2 for you, 2 from your friend. How many can you see in total? Those are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bottles of juice. So 2 plus 2 equals 4, So you can always use your fingers. You can use your fingers as counters for many different things. Okay, now you are going to need cups, But just in case, let's say you're going to need cups. So you're going to bring 3. And your friend is going to bring 3. 3 plus 3 is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, So 3 plus 3 equals 6. Okay? Then you've brought cups. What else could you bring? Oh, you're going to need some fruits. So how about you bring 4 bananas, 4 bananas from you. 4 bananas from your friend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay? Ooh, sorry, but I wrote it in the wrong place. Okay, and then let's see. Those were some bananas, but even better than bananas, you could bring some oranges, let's say. So, oranges you can also later squeeze and make juice if those 4 bottles were not enough. So, let's see. 5 oranges from you, 5 from your friend. How many fingers do we have here? All 10 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, because 5 plus 5 is 10. Okay, now look, I'm not going to have enough fingers for these numbers here, okay? I'm going to come back to this, but here in the middle, I want us to stop for a second, okay? And I'm going to show you a little video. So this video is called Doubles Addition Fact Song, and it's a way through music to try to remember the doubles, yeah? And you might not see it, so put it up.
These are the doubles, 1 through 12. We're adding numbers to themselves. These are the...
Okay, so here it goes all the way to 12. If you can remember all the way to 12, great. But as for me and Miss Stephanie, today we are focusing on doubles to 10, yeah?
Doubles, 1 through 12. We're adding numbers to themselves. 1 plus 1 is 2.
That's what we said. 1 plus 1 is 2.
2 plus 2 is 4.
2 plus 2 is 4.
3 plus 3 is 6.
3 plus 3 is 6. Okay, so this is a way for us to check.
4 plus 4 is 8.
4 plus 4 is 8. The spider has 4 on one side, 4 on the other, yeah?
Time to concentrate. 4 plus 4 is 8. 5 plus 5 is 10, my friend.
Okay, so we had it here. 5 fingers on one hand, 5 fingers on the other. Make 10 fingers in total. Or for example, 5 toes on one foot and 5 toes on the other foot. Means that you have 10 toes in total, yeah? 1 ear here, 1 ear here. You have 2 ears in total, and so on and so on. So let's see now. Let's go back to our picnic story, yes? You and your friend brought everything double, yeah? So here I have a little worksheet for you. Imagine that when you went on your picnic, you're outside, grass, and little mini bees, little insects are flying around. And you see many, many different ladybirds. Now these ladybirds, because we're making this story up so we can imagine it any way we want, these ladybirds are very special because on both of their wings they have exactly the same number of spots. So let's look here. I have this like worksheet for you, and I also sent it to you, so you're going to do it. Okay, so it says here, look, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah? And we know if we add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 more, 5 plus 5 is 10, yeah? 5 plus 5 is 10. Now, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to add 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah? I added 6 more. So how much is that in total? This is 6, so I'm going to continue counting on. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, so it seems that 6 plus 6 is 12. Okay, so I'm going to solve all of these here, and then I'm going to play the song to check. Okay, next ladybird. Okay, so I'm going to write double 6. Actually, I'm going to write the answers after we've heard the song. Okay, 7. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I'm going to draw more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's count on. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 7 plus 7 is 14. Okay, we need to repeat this quite a few times so we remember these doubles well, yeah? Double 8, yeah? After 7 we have 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Double 8 is 16. Okay, 2 more special ladybirds. Now look at them. They have many, many spots. spots, so many. So let's take a green marker. Okay, so this one has 3, 6, 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, let's count on. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. It says that 9 plus 9 is 18. Okay, and finally, this one here has 10 spots on one wing, and 10 more on the other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And look, guys, you already know the double of number 10 because 10 frame, you remember 10 frame, one filled in time frame was 10, and when you have 2, that was number 20, yes? So, just to make sure, we're going to count on 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 10 plus 10 equals 20. Wow, a lot of number sentences to remember, but let's see if we did them right, okay? So I'm going back to the song. Let's see, we stopped, I think it's 5 plus 5, yeah, 5 plus 5 equals 10. Let's see, what's next?
6 plus 6 is 12.
That's right, that's what we wrote, 6 plus 6 is 12.
7 and 7 make 4.
7 and 7 are 14, 14, not 4, 14.
14 and 8 plus 8 is 16.
Yes, 2 octopuses have 8 plus 8, 16 tentacles. All together.
9 plus 9 is 18.
Double of 9 is 18.
10 and 10 make 20.
That's what we wrote.
2 11s are 22. And 12 plus 12 is 24.
Yeah, 2 dozens are 24. Okay, so you can listen to this song at home, okay, if it helps you add. So what you're going to do after this class is this. You're going to practice a little bit these doubles, yeah? So here, you're going to have 2 worksheets like these, yeah? A lot of those ladybirds that you saw in our imaginary picnic. What you're going to do, you're going to do exactly as I did, yeah? So you're going to draw the spots on the other side, yeah? And then, if you remember already what are the doubles, example, you already know what is 6 plus 6, you can just first write the answer, okay? And then check by counting. Okay, but in case you're still not sure, then you can first count and then write the answers. Both options are okay. In the end, I'm not going to write the answers here. Okay, see you later for science. Bye.